First at 6, the brain of the man accused of killing 5 people, including 2 children, will be tested for CTE.
Phillip Adams, who had several concussions in his short NFL career, will have his brain tested at the Medical University of South Carolina in Charleston. Deputies say Adams shot and killed 4 members of the Leslie family Wednesday night, and among them 9-year-old Ada Leslie, 5-year-old Noah Leslie, who are being remembered for their kind and caring spirits. James Lewis was also killed while working at the Leslie home, and tonight it's still not clear why all of this happened.
Fox 46 has live team coverage tonight, and we have learned more about the suspect today and even more about the victims, especially the youngest. We start with Fox 46's Matt Grant, live outside the York County Sheriff's Office. Matt, are we any closer to figuring out a reason why Adams did this?
Not really, unfortunately. Investigators are still asking that question, and so are we. What we do know this evening is that the York County Coroner's Office, is partnering with Boston University to try to determine if there's any concussion-related brain injuries, or CTE, present in Phillip's autopsy.
No answer at the home where former NFL player Phillip Adams took his life.
I don't know what could happen to somebody to make them do that.
Next door, Dwayne Ballou is still in shock. He's known Adams for more than 30 years.
I feel bad, talking about how good a kid Phillip was when you got 5 people murdered down the road. But the truth is, this young man, he was just a good guy.
I heard the popping, but I didn't realize it was shooting until I saw this guy laying on the ground.
Investigators are still trying to learn why Adams gunned down prominent Dr. Robert Leslie, his wife Barbara, and their 2 young grandkids, aged 5 and 9. Ballou spoke with Adams' father.
We were just talking about how terrible it was, and and he was upset about Dr. Leslie's family, then his own son. It was a lot. There wasn't much he could say.
2 repairmen working at Leslie's home were also shot. One was killed. The lone survivor, Robert Shook, is listed as very critical. A family member writing on Facebook that he was shot at least 6 times, saying only God can work this miracle. Only God will ever know what triggered this to happen. Investigators have no evidence that Adams was a patient of Dr. Leslie. Retired FBI Special Agent Joseph Lewis of Charlotte says that will be a main focus of this investigation, along with any brain injuries Adams may have suffered playing football.
Based on your professional experience, how likely is it that this was a totally random case?
It's probably very unlikely. Those things do not happen particularly on the spur of the moment.
What does it tell you about someone who would snap like this?
I would suspect that he had some mental issues.
Adams' sister spoke with USA Today and told the paper, quote, that her brother's mental health degraded fast and terribly bad, and that he was going through a disability claim with the NFL. Live in York County, Matt Grant, Fox 46.
Just learning a little bit more about what may have happened, and certainly a developing story we'll keep following for us. Matt, thanks.